Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by fixing the browser itself. Open Settings, go straight to Search or Default Browser, and set Google as your default search engine. Once done, scan the extensions list and remove anything unfamiliar or explicitly labeled Yahoo redirectors. If you see a managed profile or policy message, pause here. That usually requires deeper cleanup. Make sure browser restarts after changes so settings apply. This prevents the simplest, most common redirection path before you move on. Now target software that forces Yahoo search. On Windows or Mac OS, open programs or apps and uninstall any recently added or suspicious entries. Don't guess. Remove the ones you don't recognize. Next, run a reputable anti-malware scan to find browser hijackers and follow its removal steps. Once threats are cleared, reset the browser's settings to default so altered search provider data and homepage changes are wiped. This removes persistent changes that simple preference edits won't fix. Finish by confirming Google is used everywhere. Test searches in each browser and on startup. Clear cookies and cache to remove stored redirect instructions, and check your DNS settings. If they point to an unfamiliar server, change them to your ISP or a trusted resolver like Google Public DNS. Make sure devices on the same network behave the same. If multiple devices redirect, reboot and factory reset the router after saving its settings. If redirection continues, that router reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.